how to find out how much available memory you have left on the Apple Watch 8 series. So first, let's go back to your home screen by pressing on the crown button on the side, and then press on it again to go back to the watch face. From the watch face, press on the crown button to go into the app screen, and in here, tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on general, then tap on about, and then swipe up to go down, and in here it will tell you how much available memory or the storage space you have left on the Apple Watch 8 series. And that's it. Finally, you can press on the crown button to go back to the app screen, or press on it again to go back to the watch face. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.